India marks 50 years of the Bonded Labour System Act, 1976, the law that outlawed bonded labour, yet the practice still survives in pockets. It made all bonded labour debts illegal and void, ordered immediate release, and protected freed workers from being evicted from land they earlier occupied. The Act puts responsibility on district magistrates and vigilance committees to identify, monitor, rescue, and ensure action on violations. The Constitution backs this through Article 21, 23, and 24, and Section 143 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023 criminalized trafficking and forced labor. Because poverty, informal work, and caste-based exploitation keep people trapped, especially scheduled castes and scheduled tribes communities. Low convictions and weak rehab make escape harder.